Hello class, how are you? I hope you will learn the previous lessons well and don't forget to ask me your questions about those lessons if you have any. I would be more than happy to help you with your questions and problems about those lessons. Now let's start our fifth lesson. The phrasal verb which I have selected to teach in this lesson is branch off. Branch off is a phrasal verb which has two parts. The first part, which is the basic verb branch, and the second part, which is the preposition off. Is branch off transitive or intransitive? Yes, this phrasal verb is intransitive, which means that it needs no objects, but the subject of this verb can be roads or cars or trains. If the subject of this phrasal verb is a road, then it means that the road divides into two or more separate roads, and while the main road continues in the original direction, other secondary roads which branch off this main road lead in different directions. Now, look at the illustration. As you see in this simple illustration, road B branches off the main road at the point shown in this picture. Now, look at an example. Three narrow roads branch off the highway just before the entrance of the city. If the subject of branch off is a car, then it means that the car changes its way from the main road and enters a secondary road. Once again, look at the illustration. Again, as you see, the car branches off the highway at point C, which means that this car leaves the highway, leaves the main road at point C and goes through a different road. The past form of branch off is branched off. Also, the past participle form is branched off. And the third person singular form is branches off. Our new idiom in this lesson is bite the hand that feeds one. Why would someone bite the hand of a person who helps him or her or feeds him or her? They should be really ungrateful. As we know, humans tend to appreciate or thank those people who help them or provide them with what they need, not to insult them or disrespect them. So we use this idiom when we want to talk about a person who is ungrateful and disrespects the people who help them. Now, pay attention to the example to know better when and in which context you should use this idiom. Last year, I helped David a lot when he was in a lot of financial troubles. I paid for his rent, I paid for his debts, even I bought him a used motorcycle. But when he finally got rid of his troubles, he disrespected me and claimed that I had not helped him enough. So, for such a context and for such a person, we would say that David beat the hand of his friend who fed him. Now, pay attention to another example. A mother to his daughter. Darling, be respectful to your brother. He helped you a lot with your exams. Remember, you shouldn't bite the hand that feeds you. Our new proverb in this lesson is prevention is better than cure. This proverb means that we should be careful in order not to get in troubles. And the lesson of this proverb is that people should avoid dangers and troubles by taking precautions in order not to face them or getting them. Because once they are in trouble, it will be more painful and harder to get rid of it. For example, if we take the health guidelines seriously, which is of course easy and practical, we won't get sick. But if we get sick, it might cause us to take a lot of pain to recover. So always remember that it is easier to avoid a trouble than to fix it. Or remember that staying out of troubles is much more easier than getting out of them or getting rid of them. And that is the end of our fifth lesson. Please prepare yourselves for the next one, which will soon be uploaded. And don't hesitate to ask me your questions about phrasal verbs, idioms, and proverbs. I'll make sure to help you as much as I can. Bye for now.